with Oma.
And Opa.
And we're back in the kitchen with coconuts. You'll remember we found him in the fridge yesterday, and he showed us this request for us to get me my monkey pirate treasure I will share. And we went to the compass that's outside the house, and we found this clue here. You remember that, Opa?
Indeed, we went looking.
We're supposed to look for the big tree. Now, we went looking, but we did not find the big tree. So today, we hope we're going to find it. But before we go outside, Opa's got a great verse about treasure.
Kind of an interesting thing. You know, Coconut's hidden his treasure under a tree, but Jesus says something about treasures. Hide your treasure in heaven. Isn't that interesting? Jesus is saying, your treasure, which is you, yourself. He wants you to be connected with him in heaven. We need to believe in Jesus. We need to pay attention to living with Jesus in heaven. So Jesus says, if you're going to hide your treasure, hide it in heaven.
So it's more important than gold or money or any of that stuff I was talking about.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still exciting to look for pirate monkey treasure, but really what's important, and I've hidden my treasure with Jesus. I've asked Jesus to be my Savior and trusted in him. And so I know that I have a treasure in heaven that he's waiting for me. And so even when I die, I'll be able to go to heaven, and there will be my treasure.
Exactly.
And you know what? Up in heaven, nobody can steal my treasure.
That's right. And it can't rust or rot away.
So, coconuts, I think we're ready. We're going to go look for
Time to go.
earthly treasure.
We're going to look for that big
And that
tree.
big tree.
Let's go outside.
All right, we'll see you outside. Go to the big tree. Go to the big tree. What do you think that means, Opa?
Well, there are some big trees around here. I don't think we spotted them all yet.
Huh.
You see one in the picture
Oh
there?
my, I do see one in
See
that really
That's
tall
so far
tree.
away that it's huge.
That one there.
Tree. Yeah, how do we get to that
might
one?
be, yeah. Well, you know, I think if we go down the road there, maybe we'll come to the big tree. Have you got coconuts there,
Here
Opa?
we go, Coconut. Let's go and get it.
And you've got the shovel?
Got a shovel.
Great.
We're on our way.
We're on our way. See anything yet, Opa?
Oh man, we're getting close. I think it's over this way.
Oh, okay. Great. Can't wait. Hey, Opa, that's one big tree. I think we found it.
That's the tree, all right. Whoa.
Okay.
Hey, and look, there's something down here.
Oh, I'm coming. Let me see what it is.
Is that it? Could that be it?
Where is it? I don't see it yet.
It's down here.
Oh, I
tucked away
think
in
I
the
see
woods.
the edge of it.
Oh, there's a rope around it.
Oh,
Take this rope out of here.
okay.
I think
Oh,
we'll put Coconut down here. Coconut. This is exciting. I think we may have found it.
I think we
We've
may
got
too. That
here.
looks like a great treasure box,
Oh
Opa.
man.
All
Coconut.
right.
What? Shall we open it?
Well, why don't we take it back to the kitchen and open it?
Okay. Let's do
We,
that.
if there's treasure in there, we don't want to lose any of it.
No, we don't.
Hey, Opa, you've got it. Great. Let's bring it into where we can
Okay.
show it on the fridge show.
All right, here we go.
Oh, wow.
This is it.
Great, Opa. Wow, I can't wait to
What's
see
in
what's
there?
inside it.
Okay.
Good
Why don't
job,
you come and give it a
Coconuts.
try?
Okay. Well, coconuts, we brought you your monkey pirate
Yeah,
treasure.
there it is.
Are we ready? Let's see what's in the treasure box.
Oh,
Oh, Opa,
what do we got?
this is not what I expected.
This is all unusual.
These are like Lay's from maybe where
Maybe
Coconuts
he's
was
been
born.
at a party or something.
And then
Peanuts?
Look at this. Here's some
What
peanuts.
would a monkey want to be doing with peanuts in their treasure chest?
Well, I guess that's what
Oh,
monkeys
and here's
think
some
of
more.
as treasure. Oh,
More
more
nuts.
nuts.
Oh man,
Well, it's not what I think of as
there's
treasure.
something else in
But
here.
there's something. There's another treasure
is
box. Look at this. Oh,
Oh,
coconuts. I sure
beautifully
do hope
carved
this
box.
is where the gold and coins
That's
and
where
money
it'll be in there.
are.
Yep,
Let's
I gotta
see.
open it.
Let's open it.
What's in there?
Oh, oh, Opa.
What did
Look
he
at
do?
this. This truly is monkey treasure.
What?
It's a banana.
Oh man, a banana.
Coconuts, your idea of treasure is not my idea
Wow.
of treasure. But I
Coconut.
guess this is monkey treasure.
But you said you would share. I think we need to share that, Oma.
Well, maybe we should share the nuts. I'm not so sure about this banana.
Oh,
Let's
my.
let coconuts have this one.
Has it been hidden treasure for too long? All right, time for party then.
All right, well, we're going to share some nuts. Coconuts, I think, is going to have the banana. And we'll see you again tomorrow on The Fridge Show with Oma.
And Opa.
And maybe coconuts, we'll see.